It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter what happened to you. Not from a place of we don't care about you or we don't care about your story, but it doesn't change the possibility for you to live your dream. Of course, we care about your past, but when it's time to talk about the possibility for you to achieve something bigger in your life, it doesn't matter where you're coming from. Think about a GPS. Are you putting the last 3 destinations in the GPS? No. The GPS don't care about your story and where you went. The only thing it is interested in is what? Where you are now and where you are going. So when you're asking what is possible for you, everything is. Be honest about where you are, be honest about where you're going, and the path will unfold. We don't care about the past. We care about where you are now and where you want to go.